In the previous video, we learned how to pre-process data using tokenization. In this video, we're going to take a look at stemming with text data. When we deal with a text document, we encounter different forms of a word. Consider the word play. This word can appear in various forms, such as play, plays, player, playing, and so on. These are basically families of words with similar meanings. During text analysis, it's useful to extract the base form of these words. This will help us in extracting some statistics to analyse the overall text. The goal of stemming is to reduce these different forms into a common base form. This uses a heuristic process to cut off the ends of words and extract the base form. Let's see how to do this in Python. First, create a new Python file, stemmer.py, and then import these packages in the file. Let's define a few words to play with, such as these. Now we'll define a list of stemmers that we want to use. Next, initialize the required objects for all three stemmers. In order to print the output data in a neat tabular form, we now format it in the right way. Let's iterate through the list of words and stem them using three stemmers. Now we're ready to run this code. So we go to the command window to run our file. So you can see that Lancaster behaves differently for a couple of words. Let's now understand how does it work. All three stemming algorithms basically aim to achieve the same thing. The difference between the three stemming algorithms is basically level of strictness with which they operate. If you observe the outputs, you'll see that the Lancaster stemmer is stricter than the other two stemmers. The Porter stemmer is the least in terms of strictness, and Lancaster is the strictest. The stemmed words that we get from Lancaster stemmer tend to get confusing and obfuscated. The algorithm is really fast, but it will reduce the words a lot. So a good rule of thumb is to use the snowball stemmer. In this video, we've seen how to stem text data. In the next video, we'll learn how to perform lemmatization using a vocabulary and morphological analysis of words.